Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install Xampp server. So let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss any update. So first of all, you need to open your browser and search here Xampp, Xampp. So before we download the Xampp server, first we need to know what is Xampp. Xampp is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution start package developed by Apache Friends, consisting mainly of Apache HTTP Server, MariaDB database, and interpreters for script written in PHP and Perl programming language. For downloading this Xampp server, simply click here download, and here you find many options for downloading. First one is for Windows, second one is for Linux, and third one is OS operating system. So I am Windows user, so I download here Windows version. Here is the latest version 8.0.2. Simply click here for download. Here is open the download tab. Our download is started. So after download completed, I will explain you how to install it properly. So our download is completed. Here you can see. Now we open IDM and open the file location of where we download the Xampp server. Here you can see. For install this, simply double click it. After click the installation file of Xampp server, we get a warning because an activated user account control on your system, some function of Xampp are possibly restricted. With UA, please avoid to install Xampp to locally C program file. So it is nothing, simply avoid it. Here you can see the warning also say please avoid to install Xampp. So simply click OK. After click the OK, it's open the setup interface. Simply click here next. Before we click next, make sure to check the all the option, otherwise it's not work properly. So then click the next and click the next and click again next and ready to run install file. Now we can see our installation is started. Our installation is completed. Now click the finish button. So after click the finish button, it's automatically open this Xampp control panel. In this Xampp control panel, you can easily open any of server which is Xampp. I start here Apache and MySQL server. You can see it's work smoothly. If you visit its admin page or visit its web page, to simply start it and click here admin for Apache. Let's open a new tab for Apache server, or you can visit here to click the MySQL admin. Here you can see the localhost PHP my admin server. So that's it. If you face any problem to download or installing this Xampp server, simply comment me below. I will help you to solve this problem. So hopefully you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss any update. Thank you so much.